Hello everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon tutorials for IGCSE 10th grade. And as you can see on the screen, today we are going to do some mathematics, and the topic is matrices and transformation. And as you know, I refer to the David Reyner's 4th edition book, and we were on to this exercise 2. And I suppose in this exercise 2, we have already completed up to question number 24. So today we are going to continue from question number 25. So let us get started. So question number 25 says that find x if the determinant of a matrix, say x, 3, 1 and 2 is A is given as 5, B it's -1, and C it's 0. So the question says that a determinant value of this particular matrix x3, 1, 2 is 5, -1 and 0. So what will be the value of this x? So let us go for the solution of this A. Now we know that the matrix x, 3, 1, 2. Okay, suppose this is your matrix A. Okay, so we know that determinant of A will be equal to, it will be 2x minus a 3. Okay, now this 2x minus 3 is given to us as 5. Okay, so we can write 2x minus 3 equal to 5, and from here we can find out the value of x. So 2x will be equal to 8 and x will be equal to 4. So when A is equal to 5, that is the determinant value is 5. Okay, therefore when determinant of A is equal to 5, your x will be equal to 4. So this is the answer for the A part of this question. Now B part of the question is -1. Okay, that is when the determinant value is -1. Okay, so as we know, 2x minus 3 is the determinant value of this A. So if this is equal to -1, what will be the value of x? So again 2x will be equal to -1 plus 3, which is equal to 2. Therefore x will be equal to 1. Okay. So the answer for B part is x will be equal to 1 when determinant of A is -1. And the C part is again 2x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Okay, because the determinant now is 0. This implies that 2x is equal to 3, and so x will be equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So we get the answer as x equal to 1.5 when determinant of A is equal to 0. Okay, so that was question number 25. Now let us quickly move on to question number 26. Question number 26. Let us see what question number 26 has to say. It says that if a matrix, say 1, -2, x and 4, okay, has no inverse. Okay, so this particular matrix has no inverse. The question is, what is the value of x? Okay, so the matrix, suppose this matrix is A. So A is 1, -2, x and 4. Okay, now this matrix has no inverse. Okay, this means that determinant of A will be equal to 0. Okay, this implies that determinant of A is equal to 0. So if it has no inverse, determinant of A will be equal to 0. So this leads to 4 ones are 4, minus -2 into x is -2x. This should be equal to 0. This will make us 4 plus 2x equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 2. So your answer will be, if this particular matrix has no inverse, then what is the value of x? So x ka value will be minus 2. Okay. So x will be minus 2 if, now let me check the answer behind for 26. And for 26, yeah, the answer is correct, x equal to minus 2. Okay. So that was question number 26. Now let us move on to question number 27. Question number 27 says that the elements of a 2 by 2 matrix consist of 4 different numbers. So there is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. And the elements of this 2 by matrix will be something like this. Okay. So this elements of these 4 matrices would be what if the largest possible value of the determinant of the matrix is to be found. Okay. So if suppose this is your matrix A. So if determinant of A is maximum, okay, if the determinant of A is maximum, then A question is, if the elements are 1, 3, 5 and 9, and B may, if the elements are minus 1, 2, 3 and 4. So find the largest possible value. So determinant of E is maximum. Okay, find it. Right. So if these are the elements, if these are the elements. Okay. So obviously, if you have a matrix A, and if you have a determinant, or if you want the determinant of A to be maximum, okay, this product, this into this, okay, minus this product, this into this, okay, should be maximum. Okay. And what should be that maximum value? Find the largest possible value of the determinant. So suppose in these two position, if I put 9 and 5, okay, 9 into 5, minus in these two positions I will put 1 and 3, so it will be 1 into 3, right? So this gives me determinant of A will be equal to 45 minus 3, which is equal to 42. So the answer for A is the determinant, the maximum determinant value or determinant A maximum will be equal to 42. For the case B, if I take this matrix A as something like this, okay. Now suppose if I take 3, 4 over here and minus 1 and 2 over here, something like that, okay. Now this will imply that determinant of A maximum will be equal to 4 3s are 12 minus a minus 2, that is equal to 12 plus 2, which is equal to 14. So for B, the answer should be 14. Okay. So that was question number 27. You had to find out the maximum determinant value in case A and B, and the values we got as 42 and 14. Okay. Now coming to the last question of this exercise, that is question number 28. Now this is sort of a word problem. Okay. So it says that a business makes floor tiles and wall tiles. Okay. So there are two types of tiles, floor tiles and wall tiles, which are being manufactured. Now the thing is, the labor requires, for floor tiles it requires 3 hours, for wall tile it requires 1 hour. This is the table given in the question. The materials that is required per tile, okay, is 4 and m, right? And the paint in liters, okay, or rather tins, it is given as tin. Okay. Uh, Tins is required is 2 tins for the floor tile and 1 tin for the wall tile. Okay, so this is the table given to you in this question. And another thing that is given is labor cost. Labor cost is given as $15 uh, per hour, and material cost is given as $2. Okay, and painting cost is given as $N per tin. Okay, so these are the cost factors given. So labor cost is 15 hours per hour, and the material cost is around $2 per tile. Okay, and the painting cost is $N per tin. Okay, now this is the information given to us in the form of this question number 28. Okay, now this information has been put up in the form of two matrices. Matrix A, which is 3 4 2 1 M and 1. Okay, and matrix B, it is given as 12, sorry, 15, not 12. It's given as 15 and then 2 and then N. So these are the two metrics given, A and B. Okay, now they have asked you these questions. Sub question A is, given that AB is equal to 5922, you have to find, number one, what is the value of N, and number two, what is the value of M. Okay, so this matrix A and matrix D is given to you, and AB is given as 59 and 22. So let us solve this. AB will be equal to 3 4 2 1 M and 1 times B is 15 2 and N. Okay, now this matrix A is a 2 by 3 matrix, and this matrix B is a 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, so because this number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix are same, therefore the product is possible, and the product will be a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, it will be a 2 by 2 matrix. So let us try to find out this 2 by 2 matrix. So these are the places that you have to fill up. Okay, so if you want to fill up this position, okay, what you will do, first row and this first column you are going to multiply. So you'll get 3 into 15 is 45, plus 4 into 2 is 8, 45 plus 8 is 53, and then 2 into n is 2n. So 53 plus 2n, you will get here 53 plus 2n. Okay, then uh, then what you'll get, yeah, uh, this position. Okay, here what you will get, uh, okay, let us not find out, okay, this will be 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so 53 plus 2n, and okay, let us find out what we will get in this position. Okay, so again it will be uh, 1 second, 53, this is a 2 by 3 matrix, and this is a 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, so okay, so if you multiply this out, you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so 2 by 2 matrix means there won't be these two positions. Okay, it will have uh, 1 second. This is 3 rows and 1 column, right? This is not 3 by 2. This is 3 by 1. Okay, 3 rows and 1 column. So the product of AB will be a 2 by 1 matrix and not a 2 by 2 matrix. It will be 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 means you will have only 2 rows and 1 column. Okay, so it will be like this, 2 rows and 1 column. So first row we got the product value as 53 plus 2n. Now this will be 15 into 1, 15 plus 2m plus n. Okay, 15 plus 2m plus n. So can I write 15 plus 2m plus n? Okay, now this is the product of AB, but the product AB is given to us as 59 and 22. So we can write 53 plus 2n and 15 plus 2m plus n equal to 59 and 22. Now because these two are equal matrices, so 53 plus 2n equal to 59. From here I'll get 2n is equal to 59 minus 53 should be 6, and x will be equal to 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3, not x, n. So here n will be equal to, yeah, this is n is equal to 3. Okay, now so we got the answer for this first one, n is equal to 3. Now second one is you have to find out m, this one. Okay, so for that what we'll do, we'll take this 15 plus m plus n equal to 22. Now we have found out n in this previous case, so we'll write 15 plus m plus 3 equal to 22. This will make 18 plus m equal to 22. So m will be equal to 22 minus 18, which is equal to 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, which is equal to 4. So you get the answers as n is equal to 3 and m is equal to 4. Now this 4 is correct or not? No, it's not correct. This is 2m, 15 plus 2m. Okay, so I should take this as 2m. Okay, 2m. So 2m will be equal to 4. So m will be equal to 2 and not 4. Okay, so these are my answers. So my m ka answer will be 2 and n ka